Welcome to day 1 of my Ramadan recipe series. Today, we're making a delicious butterscotch bread pudding, a perfect dessert for Iftar. It's creamy, crunchy, and full of rich butterscotch flavor. Serve it chilled for the best taste. Add a quarter cup of sugar to a pan and let it caramelize. If needed, add 1 tablespoon of water to help it melt. Once the sugar is caramelized, add 1 teaspoon of butter and mix well. Add a quarter cup of cashews and stir to coat them evenly. Turn off the flame and pour the mixture onto parchment paper. Let it cool completely until it hardens. Once set, transfer it to a Ziploc bag and crush it into small pieces using a rolling pin. You can also use any other method you prefer. Now, let's prepare the pudding. In a bowl, I am going to mix 5 tablespoons of cornflour with 1½ cups of warm milk. Stir continuously until the mixture is smooth and there are no lumps. This will help thicken the pudding and give it a rich, creamy texture. Add ½ cup of brown sugar to a pan and let it caramelize. Add a quarter cup of butter and let it melt completely. Stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and mix well. Pour in ½ cup of warm cream and mix until smooth. Keep the flame on low. And now add the milk and cornflour mixture while stirring continuously. Let it cook until the mixture thickens into a creamy pudding. Now, it's time to set the pudding tray. Place bread slices at the bottom of the tray, with the brown edges removed. Soak the bread with a light sugar syrup to make it soft and flavorful. Sprinkle some of the crunch on top of the bread, so you get a nice crispy bite while eating. Pour the pudding mixture evenly over the bread. Garnish with more crunch on top for extra texture. The butterscotch bread pudding is ready. A perfect Ramadan treat with a creamy butterscotch flavor and a delicious crunch in every bite. Serve it chilled for the best taste. Try this easy and delicious dessert and let me know in the comments how you liked it. Stay tuned for more easy and delicious Ramadan recipes throughout the month. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss any updates.